direction, your bitter deception, setting you free. So you take what you want, then leave. Who made you like this? Who encrypted your dark gospel in body language? Synapses snap back in blissful language. Tell me you met me in past lives, past life, past what might be eating me from the inside, darling. Half algorithm, half deity, glitches in the code, or guts in a strange dream. Tell me you guessed my future and it mapped onto your fantasy. Tell me into your mannequin and I'll turn you into my puppet queen. Won't you come and dance in the dark with me? Show me what you are. I am desperate to know. Nobody better than the perfect enemy. Digital demons make the night feel heavenly. Make it real, 'cause anything's better than the way I feel right now. I can offer you a block clip paradise. Diamonds in the trees, pentagrams in the night sky. Lipstick, chemtrails, red flags, pink nails, with one eye on the door, other eye on a rail, other eye following the scarlet trail, and the last few drops from the holy grail. Now rose gold chains with lace cut glass, blood stains at the galaxies. Just don't ask me, the first to the feast. Let's joke on the past and take to the broken skies at last. Diamonds in the trees, pentagrams in the night sky. What you want from me. You want the same as me. My redemption, eternal ascension, setting me free. So I'll take what I want
All right, guys, what is going on? What's goody? What is good, man? What is good? We should be live. You guys should be able to hear me. You guys should be able to see me as well. Not that that's really all that important, but you know, we good? Yeah, I left the chat open today too. You know, it's President's Day here in the US. Nothing's really going down. Nothing's really going down. The only thing that's going down is the doubt in this community. The doubt about this community, because we are doing amazing things out in the real world. Out in the real world. You know what I'm saying? Where's everybody at today? We got 28 people on. We got like 7 or 8 people in the chat. Where's everybody at? Are y'all still sleeping or what? What's going on? What's happening? Everybody took the day? Maybe you're reading. I don't know. Maybe everybody's reading. That's fine. What's good, Sean, Hermita, Trillionaire, Shay, Vadu, Monkey, Felix, Ravendran, or Kevin. That's easier. What's good, Kevin? Ebrenith, blessings to you as well. What's good, George? Lee Bright, Kesha, Jeff, Cameron, Big James, Pop. Okay, now we're getting some people on here. And we're getting some people on here, man. Did you guys see what I shared the other day? I think it was Friday or Saturday. It was on Twitter. It was on Instagram, my Instagram story, but it was on Twitter as well. Did you guys see that? Did y'all see? Let me drop this link in the chat. Oh, man. Oh, man, I don't speak Spanish, my friend. I don't speak Spanish, but I know some who do. I know some who do. Know what I'm saying? But not me, my friend. I know about the cuss words, just like everybody else, and that's about it. You know, and I'm trying to really pause on the cursing. You know what I mean? Really trying to pause on the cursing. So, doing my best here. Doing my best. Was good, Marshall? Was good, Pips, K Pips. Oh, see, that's better. I'm wonderful, man. How are you? I'm wonderful. You know why? Because God is good, first and foremost. But secondly, go to the Twitter link that I just dropped. Okay? Do it. Do it right now. Where Asan is his name. He founded a relief project, Relief Hunger PK. PK, I'm pretty sure, is supposed to mean for Pakistan, because that is where this gentleman is at. So we were able to provide shoes, backpacks, and I believe this is a uniform. I'm not entirely sure. I think so. Right? You got this little guy right here too. Backpack, shoes. Right? So that is well, this is some of it. I mean, the stories had a little bit more to it, but oh shit, there's a video right here. Sorry. Right? Can you guys see that? Look at backpacks, shoes, uniforms for all these kids. You see that shit? Look at that. Look at that. That's good shit, huh, chat? Drop a what do we got in here? Drop a blessed emoji, chat, real quick. Do me a favor, drop a blessed emoji. Look at these kids, man. Look at that shit. All right, that's all that other bullshit. But yeah, man, I told you we started philanthropy, right? We started to expand out into the world, doing, you know, good things like that. And words of wisdom, and then Casper had donated to this particular cause. So, you know, they went first. I'm like, okay, cool, you know. So then we went and followed up. So that happened within the last couple of days. I mean, this was like a month ago, but the actual work and, you know, the videos and stuff that he put together was a couple of days ago. I mean, you should have saw it, man. If you didn't see it, shit is fucked up out there, man. They got like roads and stuff, but they're like not roads. It's like rocks and dirt and fucking, you know, like it's not easy for them out there. You know what I mean? It's not easy for them out there. So part of the subscription that you guys have goes to stuff like that. So I don't know, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'll never get tired of that. I'll get tired of days like today where we don't really trade, but I'll never get tired of being able to help change the world. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, the only thing I really marked up over here was just a simple mitigation up to internal range liquidity. So we're going to pause here for a minute because I've been getting a lot of questions to my inbox about mitigation. You know, why this candle, why that candle, stuff like that. So I wanted to pause here for a minute so we can get a little bit more, I guess, understanding of mitigation. But we do have that video, the function of a mitigation. It's got the, let me just pull it up. It's got the clock looking, the cogs and stuff like that on it. Let me see if I can find it really quick just to, so we can just be able to provide that for anybody who wants to actually go watch that. That was a live stream, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure it was. Yeah. Oh, it's a member only video as well. All right, well, there's that. So right there, chat. The function of a mitigation, that was an hour and a half. So this, if you struggle with mitigation, if you can't identify a mitigation or have questions on it, I do think that this video, the function of a mitigation, is going to give you better context and probably some better examples. And even on Friday with the Dow Jones, we were looking at the mitigation as well. So there's just more examples of that. So whenever we have, okay, a formation, the formation by itself is not enough. Okay, you guys do know that, right? Like, it doesn't matter if it's MMXM or Wyckoff or whatever. Welcome back, Alex C. It doesn't matter what the formation is. There's got to be time, price, and context added onto it. Okay, all three are important. So you see that formation here. Okay, pretty much just like that. You have a low, a high, the highest body. Okay, this is why I'm measuring that. Look at these two candles right here. Or, well, there's three technically, but you have the one candle right here. Okay. And then you have the two candles right here. All right. Now, what's the difference here? We'll look at it. You've got wicks. You got a lower wick on this one and kind of a higher wick on this one. But this one has a, I don't know, a bigger body. Okay. Thick candle. All right. So there's no other way to put that. Very, not so much wickage on the upside. So there's this candle, right, is the highest out of everything in here. Does that make sense? You change your debit card? Oh, I fucking hate that, dude. Because I have a lot of subscriptions to like Netflix and gyms and shit. And when I change my card, like everything cancels. So I get spammed with emails. You know, oh, we're going to cancel this and cancel that. Hate that shit. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm ignoring the Sunday open because that's just going to be spreads and all that stuff. And that's not really something that I'm looking at. But the formation here by itself, what does that also look like to you? What's good, George? What does this also look like to you? What did we talk about last week? What did we talk about last week? One, two, three lows. There's your break-in structure. Well, you have one here, but there's an imbalance right there. But in this case, it trades above the mitigation. And then so there is your low 1, 2, 3 bottom, right? We went over that multiple times last week, or at least the last 2 weeks. I told you a kindergartner can do this. Kindergartners can do this. 1 low, 2 low, 3 lows. All right, the Dr. Seuss lows. Okay. Bam. Trades above that up candle there because again, it's just my opinion. This is the highest one, right? You have this low and this lower low here. So this is like that highest up candle because it doesn't push past that here. It finally gets through that with distinction here. Then it returns into that during New York. Okay. And then what does it do? It immediately seeks internal range liquidity. Right? If you were to measure this high down to that low, okay, there's your 50%, your fair value level, whatever. There's your manipulation low, your 1, 2, 3 formation low. Where's that mitigation? It's in the discount, right? 50% down to the low. Literally, that is your discount logic. Where's that mitigation? Right in the middle of the discount. Buying in a discount. Where's that external, or excuse me, where's that internal range liquidity in a premium? Right? You see that? Was back testing and lost track of time. And it's all good. You know what? That actually reminds me. Tomorrow, I'll put this out again, but tomorrow we're going to start 30 minutes late. Tomorrow on Tuesday, we're going to start 30 minutes late. So there's an important meeting, and of course, it's at fucking noon. So I have to unfortunately push the stream back 30 minutes. So, you know, we usually don't do that, but we're going to do that tomorrow. All right. So anyway, highest up close candle within that, you know, formation here, low, high, lower low, that run stops, breaking structure to the upside. We've already shifted in price. We actually have a smaller mitigation here. This is a 15-minute time frame. But then, you know, again, distinctively trading above it and then back into it. So that could have been a long to go up to these highs. So, I mean, a solid like 10 pips on Euro GBP cross pair. So why would we look at cross pairs today? I didn't, but why would we look at cross pairs on a day like today? Do you know why? What is today? I told you earlier. You should know because of your economic calendar as well. And what are you talking about, Cameron? Inverse of what? The mitigation or that little 1, 2, 3? The 1, 2, 3? Bank holiday, President's Day, dollar not moving, bank holiday. What's up with CAD Infinity? I don't know what's going on with Canadian dollar. I don't look at that. I don't look at that nonsense. The old 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's very simple. Either 3 consecutive highs, higher highs, or 3 consecutive lower lows. Literally, it's the most basic thing ever. But anyway, that's right. So the bank holiday, right? You got the dollar doing absolute